Strategies on how to be successful in the stock market. What's contained within this video can change your life. If you're considering investing, you need what is provided here, in order to be successful. If profits are what you desire and you have the drive and determination to keep you going through both the good and bad times, read on to find out the secret to success. Never rely on hearsay, as following the crowd is often a recipe for disaster. When everyone buys the same stocks, the value will decrease and less people are going to buy it in the future. Think independently and do your own research, instead of solely depending on what others say. Do not look at investing in the stock market as a hobby. It is something that has a lot of risk involved and it should be taken very seriously. If you do not have enough time, effort and patience to take it seriously, then you should not get yourself involved with it. One fund to consider when investing in the stock market is an index fund. Index funds simply track a segment of the market, most popularly the S&P 500. It takes very little effort and it guarantees that you, at least, pace the market at large. Studies show that actively managed funds largely underperformed index funds. It is hard to beat the market. When you're thinking of a rainy day fund, you should be thinking of an investment option that earns a lot of interest. You should also keep at least 6 months' worth of expenses in it. That way, if you are faced with a major problem like medical emergencies or unemployment, you will still be able to meet your monthly living expenses, such as your mortgage or rent. That should tide you over while you resolve those issues. As simple as watching this video and using the tips included in it, you can start turning a profit on your investments and doing what it takes to succeed in investing. Whichever market you choose, or whatever level of investment you feel comfortable with, it doesn't take much effort, once you have the knowledge necessary. These tips can help you to enjoy your new income stream. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.